Greetings to all. Today in this video we are going to study about leaf and its structure and its functions. Okay, so in this video we are only going to concentrate on the structure of the leaf and the functions of the leaf. So let's get started. First we are going to start with the structure of the leaves. You can see there are the two different types of leaves I've kept, and this is the third one if I keep. So these are the three different types of leaves which you can see on your screens. So now we are going to study the structure of the leaf. See, the structure of the leaf will be same for all. Okay, so we will start with the leaf base. So this part, you can see that this part, if I remove these now, so we can see this part of the leaf is called as the leaf base. Okay, it is the part from where the leaf is attached to the stem. If I say this thing, this is the leaf part. Okay, it is attached to the stem from this part, so this is the leaf base. Okay, and now we will talk about the petiole. What is the petiole? It is the stalk of the leaf. Okay, the stalk of the leaf, this part is called as the petiole. This is the stalk of the leaf. Yes, the stalk attach this to the leaf base, leaf to the leaf base and leaf base to the stem. Is it clear? Now if we talk about the next part, that is the lamina. So this is the leaf lamina. Okay, or we can say leaf blade. See, different leaves have different leaf lamina. You can see the this leaf has different lamina and this leaf have different leaf lamina. So this lamina varies from leaf to leaf. This is the, what is the lamina or leaf blade? We can say this is the green part of the leaf. Okay, green flat and expanded part of the leaf, we can say this is. Okay, next we can talk about the midrib. If we talk about the midrib, in this we can see the midrib. Okay, very clearly we can see the midrib. So this line which is extended from the your uh, this part from the starting of the leaf blade to the end of the leaf blade, it is known as, it divides leaf into two equal parts, we can say. So this is the midrib. Okay, it forms the middle axis of the leaf blade. Okay, it forms the middle axis of the leaf blade, and its extension, I already told you, it is to the petiole. Okay, and the lateral branches arising from the these we can say midrib are known as veins. See, this lateral branching I'm talking about. Okay, these lateral branches I'm talking about, so they are known as veins. Okay, and these veins branches into fine veinlets. In this, if you go, if I zoom on it, if you can see these veinlets, you can see the veinlets. These veins will further branch into veinlets. Okay, if you see carefully, you can see these veinlets. Yes, you can see over here, see these further branching of veins, so they are known as the veinlets. And according to these networks of veins, we have classified leaves into two parts, into two we can say two types of leaves according to these venations, that is the reticulate venation and parallel venation. We are going to talk about this venations in the next video. Just now in this video we are going to concentrate on the structure of the leaf and the function of the leaf. So if we talk about the first part that I told you of the leaf. Okay, so first we have talked about the first part. If we talk about, so we talked about the leaf base. So this is the leaf base, this point is known as the leaf base. Okay, then we talked about the petiole. It is the stalk, we can say stalk of the leaf. Okay, and leaf base, it attached leaf to the stem. Attach leaf to the stem. And the third, if we talk about after leaf petiole, we talked about the lamina. Yes, or we can say leaf blade. So this is the what we can say, the green, flat and expanded part of the leaf. Then we talked about midrib, that I told you. It divides the leaf into two equal parts. Yes, and in this leaf you can see this very carefully, into two parts, and these will form veins. Yes, these midrib will further branch out into veins, and these vein will further branch out into veinlets. So we will say midrib. Yes, and the lateral branching of midrib will give rise to veins, and veins will further branch out into your veinlets, and this network formed by these veins and veinlets in the lamina is known as venation, and we are going to talk about this in the next video. Now we will come directly to the function, and there are stomatas in this, but you cannot see stomata with the naked eyes. These are these tiny pores. Okay, singular of stomata is stoma. Okay, these can only be seen under the microscope, and function of the stomata is for exchange of gases. Okay, exchange of gases take place through this stomata only. If we talk about the functions, of leaf, we all know that leaf is called as the kitchen of the plants. Okay, so if we talk about first function, we can say it prepares the food. So photosynthesis is its first function. Yes, so they manufacture food for the plant, so they are called as the kitchen of the plant. And all green cells of the leaves have chlorophyll. This green color pigment is due to that chlorophyll. Yes, and which traps the energy from the sunlight and helps in the synthesis of glucose from the carbon dioxide and water. This is the process of photosynthesis. Next function is transpiration. So what is transpiration? It is the loss of excess of water in the form of water vapor from the leaves through stomatas. Again, the stomatas plays the important role. It cools the plant during the hot summers. This is the function of the leaves, photosynthesis and transpiration. It is the two important functions. Yes, and respiration. There is no doubt that respiration is the third function if we talk about. So exchange of gases, I told you that they occur through the stomata, and stomatas are present in the leaves. So this is the structure of the leaf and the functions of the leaf. I hope this video is clear to you. In the next video, we are going to talk about the different types of venations, that is the reticulate and the parallel venation. And this venation, these type rises through these veins. Okay, the different arrangement of veins give rise to these two types that we are going to study in the next video. I hope this topic is clear to you. That's all. Thank you so much.